Hello. For this session of our deep dive into Amazon Quick, I want to focus on spaces. So, spaces are a great tool that allow you to determine exactly what information you want to be processed by the agentic AI. So, if you look here on the left side of the screen, there's a couple different things we can add into here. We can do file uploads, dashboards, actions, data sets, all sorts of things that we can use and say, this is all I want you to focus on when I'm asking you questions. So I've got some actions, so connections to Microsoft, a custom Excel API, and a bunch of CTA ridership data. So this is going to be purely focused on the Chicago transit system and the L trains. So if you look over here to the right, I asked a question. I wanted to get ridership trends for 2024, focusing on our loop station trains. I want to see a ranking system for the ridership, daily averages for the week, and then some total fields. Let's see week totals, weekday, and weekend totals, and format this into a flattened data table. That'll be really important when we go to the Excel connector, which I'll talk about in our next video. But for now, we're just going to focus on some data summarizations and a little bit of actions. So here you can see it processed and generated this table for me. So we got exactly what I was wanting. Our week date, ranking per station, and then all of the averages and totals that I was looking for that week. So this is great. Now I've got the information I was looking for. Didn't have to run anything on my own. Didn't have to go look it up in a dashboard or anything, but it processed and made this table for me right here. Now the question is, what can I do with this? Well, on top of the table, it gave me some summaries, told me about the stations that were included, the rankings, and some of the custom fields it generated. So then I was like, okay, well, now I need to send this to someone because let's say someone on my team was requesting the summary data. Instead of having to like download everything myself and send it over in an email, what I can do instead is say, hey, let's summarize this, send this to Duncan on my team, and send it over directly on Microsoft Teams. So if I say allow, this will process and that message will get sent out on its own. You can even request to view their response through here, send another message, do it all directly and quick. You never actually have to view Teams. But this is just a really helpful way that I find to actually process this data and send summary information over when needed. Thanks so much.